Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory Course 2, Episode 2. The sun is up. Memory at Lightning Speed. Session 4. Number 11 is what? 11 is skis, right? Because now why? Why would 11 be skis? Because it's visual association. It's basic association. The reminder is two skis look like number 11. What about 12? What's 12? 12 roses. How romantic, right? A dozen roses. Good. What is 13? 13. What reminds you 13 of? 13 is witch. So why is 13 witch? Unlucky 13, Friday the 13th reminds you of witch, right? Now, 14 is what? 14. Even if you don't know the association, maybe it's not fresh for you, it's brand new. Just learn the association, right? 14 is gold. Now, why would 14 be gold? 14 karat what? 14 karat gold. I want you to imagine a brick, a gold brick, okay? 15 is what? This might be hard for some people. 15 is money. Now, why would 15 be money? A few basic associations. I would say, well, in US currency, 15 is 1 and 5, or 1 and 5, there's a $1 bill and a $5 bill, right? In Europe, the €1 is a coin. In the States, if you take 1 and put it in front of the 5, it looks like an S on top of the 5. It kind of looks like a dollar sign lined through with an S, right? In the US, it's often you get paid on the 15th of the month. On April the 15th, you're giving your money away to the tax office, right? So the 15 here, here's the euro coin, reminds you of money. Do the best you can with your currency. What's number 15? It's money. What was 16? Remember, keep this active. Yell out loud. What's 16? 16 candles. Now, why would 16 be candles? It's like sweet 16 birthday party. Good. Or 16 candles is the name of what? It's the name of a song. 16 candles also is the name of a movie. Good. 16 candles. Imagine 16 candles on a cake. 17 is what? Do you remember 17? 17 is magazine. So why would 17 be magazine? 17 magazine. Because 17 is the title of a magazine for young girls. Good. 17. What about 18? 18 is what? 18 is truck. What's 18? What does a truck have? 18 wheels. 18-wheeler, right? 19. 19 is interesting. 19 is golf. Now, why would 19 be golf? You'd like, Achim, there are 18 holes. What's 19? The 19th hole they often call the clubhouse. That's the watering hole. That's the bar where everyone goes after they play their 18 holes. The 19th hole is the bar. You just imagine 19 is golf. And finally, 20 is what? 20th century fox. What's the reminder of 20 and fox? 20th century fox. The big movie studio. 20th century fox to remind you of fox. 20 is fox. So now, power brains, memory improvers, this is what I want you to do. I want you to take out a fresh piece of paper, and I want you to do the best you can and write down now the 20 words. Number it 1 to 20 and write down the words for the 1 to 20. Do this now. Write the number 1 through 20 and go through and see how many you remember. Starting with sun. Are you a little quicker this time? Go through and say the number and say, what does it remind me of? And if you get stuck on one, and I'm deliberately saying more here because I want you to learn as your coach under ideal conditions. And ideal conditions for me, it's making it difficult, distracting you. So if you have watched up to here, you let yourself being distracted. Therefore, you need to go back to the original instruction. What was the task in hand? Have you accomplished it? If you did get stuck on one, just go to the next number. Feeling good about this? Great job. Okay. If you have watched this far, wrap up. Or you can, if you like, you can carry on watching this also as well on Video78U if you need more time. And you could check out my transcript on YouTube and also read the subtitles. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. If you like the video, share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 270 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video77U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Thank you.